What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the Maserati Grecale release date is finally here and it's very soon. Maserati has once again confirmed the official name of its next SUV that will join the current Levante. We know when the new model will be arriving to the range. Now, technological innovation, uncompromising performance, and the desire to compete and win are all factors that unite the new SUV with the Maserati brand. And although the recent prototypes have been immortalized in photos still with a heavy camouflage, we have the opportunity to appreciate the lines and bodywork and also the interior. The wheels of the new Maserati Grecale will take inspiration from those used on the MC20 Super Sports car, and inside there will be a small 3-spoke steering wheel with an area reserved for an airbag and the gearshift levers for the transmission. The infotainment system could be positioned higher instead of being integrated into the dashboard as seen on the Levante and Alfa Romeo Stelvio, and the engine range should consist of a 2-liter mild hybrid engine and a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 derived from the Neptune engine used on the MC20. A fully electric version is also expected to debut, but will only arrive later. But now that Maserati is counting down to the Grecale's debut later this year, you'll expect more details about the model to leak very soon. So with that said, it's only 3 months away. So what do you think about the release of Maserati's Grecale coming in November? I mean, this is very exciting. Let me know what you guys are feeling about this one down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the official release date of the Maserati Grecale SUV. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support your channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the support as always. Now, with that said, if you guys want to check out the Ron's Rise merch, I got t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, tank tops, tote bags, fanny packs, everything Ron's Rise. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Maserati, Ferrari, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.